grep we are using for what purpose? Okay. Grep, what is a grep? Can you explain me?
grep is used to filter the for filtration.
But why we need to filter here? What you are going to filter here?
No, actually that's not my answer. In Nazi I told.
Now grep purpose I can, but the thing is that into the requirement wise, that is not the solution. So Srini, what is the solution? Any idea? Okay, Ashwini.
Yes, sir.
We can use like who I am.
Sir, what is the question, may I know, please?
Actually, there is a username called. I am trying to access one of the server. Okay, I am getting the some timeout error. I am not able to log into the server. This is the problem still. Okay.
Okay.
So being a system admin, okay, what are the actions you are going to take it, and how you are going to start it out? Okay, there's an interview question. Okay.
Okay. So I'll see if my ID is existing in the server first.
Okay.
If the ID is present, I'll check for
so
the user ID presence. ID space username.
Okay.
If that is present, I'll see if it is related to password, I'll check the expiry date of the password. If the password is expired,
okay,
I need to reset the password.
So how you are going to validate that one?
Using chag command. chag-l will show the space username will show the details of the password, expiry date, the set date, and how many days it is going to expire. So based on that, we have to take action whether we can reset or if the password is in locked state. If it is in locked state, we have to unlock it. So these actions we have to take. If he is not able to SSH to the server, we have to check in the SSH log file, SSH config file.
Okay.
Yeah, these actions we are supposed to take.
So these are the primary things. So command wise you are using. So usually the general process is that the user come with any kind of the query, the first step is the pre-validation. Nothing but collect the clear information when he is facing the issue, what is the error code he is getting, and whether he is only getting, otherwise his teammates or anyone is getting, and he is a new to environment or existing employee. So these are the things we need to collect it. Don't provide any estimated timings. That is a basic collection. Secondary thing is that from the technical aspect, always we need to do that. From the server he is not able to pingable or server not able to log in means first we need to validate from our end. So I need to ping the server from my command line or my another gateway server. Okay. Then after pinging that one, I'm going to check that I'm going to log into the server. I'm going to check whether my ID is present by using the ID command, ID space, let it be. My ID is ABC, ID space ABC. So it is a present. So I'm going to check the ID space. Pawan is the user, he is facing the issue. I will check with the Pawan. So there, if the Pawan user is not there means half of the work is completed, means user is not presented. Means so whatever the facing the user is not there, so that is the reason he is not getting. So for safer side we need to validate into the /etc password by using the grep or whatever it may be, /etc shadow. These two files I'm going to grep the user details. So once the user details are present or not, I'm going to identify that. Still we can use, this is one of the scenario. So I'm going to convey that user, boss, your ID is not present, seems to be, check with the specific user management team. In production environment, user addition, user deletion is not providing by the production teams, 99% of the companies, because that is related to the access violation. Means we should not entertain, we should not pick the anyone to the environment without knowledge. So that is the reason what the people are doing. There is some security teams, user management teams will be there. Those teams will be help you out to the environment. Means if you want to add a user, means some set of the procedure they need to give the business justification. Justification they will collect it, they will create it. We are doing modifications, permissions, executions we are doing. If there is a proper reason to delete it, add it, means we can do it. Means we need to have a solid reason, solid purpose. So there is one more scenario. If the user is not able to log in, probably his password is expired or he tried a multiple times wrong password. To overcome that one, what we are going to do it, we are checking the shadow file, sorry, not shadow file, and the chase command. By chase command, we are checking chage -l username. We are going to check the user details, and after that, okay, means we are going to find out like a user mod -s. There is a lock and unlock option also will be there. We are going to unlock it, and then there is sometimes password is expired, means we are going to reset the password like by using the passwd, password space username. If username is not updating, means whatever the current user you logged in, it will going to take the same user. So I need to give the passwd username. So I'm resetting the password, then I'm sharing the password. So one question, two scenarios. So here one question you need to be, there is one more scenario also will be there. Internet server is down, so server is not connecting for me also. Then it is a problem for everyone, not only for him. There is a problem for me. There is a due to the some of the reasons, some networking team, storage team, some different team working on the server. Okay, it will be going to be performing it. So at the moment of the time, they are not in a position to manage the server. So server is down due to some reason. So we are conveying the same thing. There is some activities going on. We are not able to reach you that. We need to wait for some time. So this is what we need to convey. Means one question, three answers. So whenever someone is asked you the question, so you need to be elaborately, you need to convey that different situations. Hope you got it right.
Yeah, understood, bro.
Okay, so there is some situation. Okay, so user asked me to provide the access for only specific folder, okay, for the specific group. Which command we are using? Specific folder.
Specific folder means okay. Changing, giving him the permissions.
Yeah, permissions.
We have to give execute permission only for that particular folder.
Particular folder, yeah.
Group
Level.
Yeah. We have to add the user first, and then we have to give only to that particular folder access.
Yeah. So folder level, which commands majorly we are using?
We can give chmod +x and path.
Okay.
Also, we can give change mode plus use change mode user change mode space user +x and the folder.
Okay. There is one more command with there. The problem with
Sir, ls-ld, sir.
ls-ld, why we are using?
Listing out the directories.
Okay.
Folders.
The question is not listing. There is one folder is there. Let it be share folder. That folder, there is one group is there, like admin group. I want to be give a admin group, whoever will be a part of admin group. I want to give access to the admin group, like a read, write, executive permissions. Group, not a user. User level, we are using chmod commands. Okay, like
Okay.
chmod u plus x, r plus x, r 755. Okay, so we are using and we are allocating. Our change owner we are allocating. We are using setfacl, getfacl. Hope you remember
Yeah.
setfacl,
Hello.
getfacl.
Phone garu, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm able to hear. Vintunna. So setfacl, getfacl, we can use it. What is the purpose of setfacl, getfacl? Narendra? ఎందుకు చేస్తాము setfacl, getfacl?
గుర్తు రావట్లేదు కరెక్ట్.
Nazia? What setfacl?
ACL is nothing but access control limits. Then a set of ACL is for permissions, to assign permissions, and get FACL is existing permissions.
Okay, you need to be clarity. setfacl for providing the permissions, getfacl for listing the existing permissions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So in my example, in my requirement, the admin group or the share folder, how it will give the access? Which command you are using?
For admin group,
Admin is one of the group.
okay.
So for the admin group, okay, you need to give the access for the share folder. Let me see my screen. Admin is the group. Okay. So share folder is the one of the file system or folder. You want to give the like read, write, execute permission. So setfacl, getfacl, how you can give?
Okay. Here set FSCL space hyphen M
Okay.
hyphen M space G
Okay.
G colon group name admin
Okay.
and we are giving him write, read and execute. So colon RWX
Okay.
space and directory name and slash.
Okay. So this command is correct, Srini? Command correct, na?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Okay. Moin, this command is correct.
స్టార్టింగ్ లో అది కరెక్ట్ బ్రో, లాస్ట్ నాకు డౌట్ ఉంది అది.
Okay.
Forward slash.
Slash ఉండకూడదు.
Ah.
Okay. And so here, so Nazia, Ashwini.
Yes, sir.
So this,
No, I'm not aware of this FACL actually.
Sir,
are you user management not covered, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So this is one of the thing. Nothing but setfacl. If you want to know that means getfacl to get the shell folder information. Okay. Okay. So another requirement, we'll go to the LVM set. So the client said that /app he want to create 10 GB. Okay. With the XFS file system. So what is the steps you will do? Interview, they are expecting step-by-step process. Means let it be my requirement is that there is a folder called /app. Okay, that's new file system. We will stress new file system means one process, or extending means a different process. So let it be this is the new file system. So can you help me out? What are the steps will be there from the scratch? Najia?
Yes, sir.
So I
First we
want.
create check the disk for going to the command lsblk,
Okay.
and then we are inserting a 10 GB in VMware.
So you are installing, otherwise someone you are requesting.
I'm installing the 10 GB.
Okay. Correction. Production environment we are not installing.
Okay.
Okay. Since it's a test environment, here we are the only boss. We are the only the client. Okay. You are only directly going to the VMware and you are attaching. Okay. But in prod environment we are not attaching. So what we need to do it? We need to request the space to storage team. So we need to request
Storage.
space for storage team that we are calling as LUN.
Okay.
LUN is nothing but logical unit number. Okay. So next point, ఏం చేస్తావు? స్పేస్
Sir,
వచ్చిన తర్వాత మనం ఓ ఫైల్ అని క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం, డైరెక్టరీ క్రియేట్ చేసేసుకొని లైక్ దాంట్లో వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చిన దానికి క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం ఫైల్స్.
నువ్వేంటి ఆకుపాకు కరివేపాకులో చెప్పేస్తున్నావు. మీన్స్ మధ్యలో స్టెప్స్ ఏమున్నాయి? ఓకే, దే క్రియేటెడ్ ద డైరెక్టరీ, లెట్ ఇట్ బి దే ప్రొవైడెడ్ ద 10 GB LUN ఇచ్చారు. దే సెండ్ స్టేట్ 10 GB LUN is they allocated. నెక్స్ట్ నువ్వు సర్వర్ సైడ్ ఓఎస్ సైడ్ ఏం చేస్తావు?
సార్ ఎఫ్ డిస్క్ దానికి పాత్ సెర్చ్ చేస్తాం సార్.
ఓకే,
ఎల్ఎస్బిఎల్కేలో వచ్చిన పాత్ని ఎఫ్ డిస్క్లో సెర్చ్ చేస్తాం సార్.
ఎల్ఎస్బిఎల్కే మళ్ళీ సారీ ఎల్ఎస్బిఎల్కే యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్
ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఎఫ్ డిస్క్ స్పేస్ /dev/sda.
/dev/ okay HDA, whatever the file system is listing,
Yeah.
or listing out. Okay, then it is listed. Then
The step 3 is making file system to the whatever it may be, either it's a ext or
okay, Narendra will tell you. Narendra, exchange చేస్తావు.
బ్రో ఫస్ట్ ఫిజికల్ వాల్యూమ్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం.
ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేస్తావు?
పీవీ క్రియేట్ పీవీ
ఓకే, క్రియేట్ పీవీ
పీవీ క్రియేట్ ఏదో ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే, నువ్వు ఏదో అంటే ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ ఒప్పుకోదు.
యా కరెక్ట్.
సో మానస
పీవీ క్రియేట్ బ్రో.
ఓకే,
పీవీ క్రియేట్ ఇన్ ద సేమ్ డైరెక్టరీ.
డైరెక్టరీ మీన్స్
dev/sda.
ఇట్స్ నాట్ డైరెక్టరీ, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ డివైస్.
ఓకే
ఓకే, డివైస్ అంటాం. /dev is a device. ఓకే
ఓకే. దాని తర్వాత వాల్యూమ్ గ్రూప్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి.
ఓకే, హౌ యు ఆర్ క్రియేటింగ్?
bg create space volume group name bg data
కాదు పైన ఇయచ్చు.
bg data same device /dev/sda.
ఓకే,
దాని తర్వాత ఫిజికల్ వాల్యూమ్, దాని తర్వాత ఎల్విఎం క్రియేట్ చేయాలి. ఎల్విఎం క్రియేట్
లెట్ మోయిన్ టెల్ ఎల్విఎం. మోయిన్ ఎల్విఎం ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం?
అదే బ్రో, ఎల్విఎం క్రియేట్ వచ్చి అది మన కమాండ్స్ లైక్ ఏమంటారు డివైస్ నేమ్ తో క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు, అంతవరకు తెలుసు నాకు, అంతే తమించి తెలియదు. ఎల్విఎం క్రియేట్ చేసుకుని ఇప్పుడు ఎట్లా బీజీ క్రియేట్ చేశారో వాల్యూమ్, దానికి అట్లే ఎల్విఎం క్రియేట్ చేసి సేమ్ డివైస్ తో క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం. దాని తర్వాత ఫైల్ సిస్టమ్ అని ఇన్సర్ట్ చేస్తాం.
ఓకే, బట్ కమాండ్స్ ఇస్ మ్యాండేటరీ.
కమాండ్స్ నాకు అంత ఐడియా,
కమాండ్స్ విల్ కమ్ విత్ ప్రాక్టీస్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకే ఓకే. సో మానస, hope you have do you have a next step?
No.
LV?
No, I don't.
Okay, Srini? ఉన్నావా?
ఉన్నానండి. నేను చూడలేదు, సారీ.
పర్వాలేదు, ఇప్పుడు చూడు శ్రేణి, ఇప్పుడు ఏదో ఒకటి చేయదండి.
నేను అసలు క్లాస్ చూడలేదండి.
మధ్యలోనే ఆపేశారు. చెప్పు. సో అశ్విని, యూ దేర్ మా?
Yeah, so it is LV create -L 10G
Okay, which L and it is?
space.
Okay, capital. Then
Yeah,
G.
10 GB space -N
Okay.
LV name,
Okay.
anything like
LV
LV
name.
data, LV underscore data, something like that.
Okay.
Space VG name, VG -data.
Okay, here LV name. Okay, okay.
LV name
Okay.
-VG space -VG -data.
Okay.
So after this, we have to create the file system mkfs.xfs /dev/sda. Sorry, the path where we get from this lv display command.
Okay. So LV display command will help you out. So here more command we need to try. That is LV display. So LV display, it will help you out with the, we need to see the particular specific LV only, not other LVs. Okay. Okay. Once file system is created, next
We have to mount.
what you will do?
Mount, sir. We'll create one directory, mkdir.
First of all, I will create a directory. Okay, / okay.
Then we mount that, sir.
Mount.
Mount /dev.
Okay.
Then VG -data.
Okay.
Then a slash. Then what the LV path is, and then / whatever it directory has created, that directory name. And then we are checking the file system type of the file system, like df-th.
Okay.
And then /app, that directory name as it is.
Okay. So if
And
tell me.
Next step was we have to add a fs tab.
Okay.
Fs tab entry.
FS tab.
/etc/fs tab. We can do it on nano or vi. And then we are representing that UUID.
So what standard path we are using if you want to add it into the FS tab?
Sir?
What is the format we need to add? If we are adding the entry into the FS tab, what is the format I need to use?
First, that's UID source. And then that space, whatever it made, the destination defaults has given on the mention on that.
Okay. So it is a UUID or this source. This source also we can give it. Means
yes, sir.
Your LV or source plus then
destination.
XFS file system type, then defaults
0.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the steps we need to be follow. And here one step is we missed out. For example, okay, it is creation. Okay. So నేను అర్థమైందా?
అర్థమైంది. కమాండ్స్ గుర్తు రావట్లేదు బ్రో. ప్రాసెస్ అర్థమైంది కానీ కమాండ్స్
నువ్వు గాల్లో దీపం పెడితే ఎలా అర్థం చెప్పు. దీపానికి కొంచెం నీళ్ళు కూడా పోయాలి కదా
బ్రో. ఇది ఎఫ్ఎస్ ట్యాబ్ అనేది అది ఫైల్ నేమ్ కదా?
అవును.
అర్థం కాలేదు బ్రో. ఎఫ్ ట్యాబ్ అంటే
సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద పర్పస్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫ్ఎస్ ట్యాబ్? ఎందుకు ఇచ్చారు?
అదే బ్రో, అదే అర్థం కావట్లేదు.
సో ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి అలాగే మన పాయింట్ నుంచి అవుతారు, రైట్? సో ద ఎఫ్ఎస్ ట్యాబ్, ద పర్పస్ ఆఫ్ ద /etc ఎఫ్ఎస్ ట్యాబ్, గో టు ద బేసిక్స్. బయాస్ ప్రాంప్ట్లో వచ్చినప్పుడు ద బయాస్ అనేది ఏం చేస్తుంది? ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ యూ ద క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ ఐఓ డివైజెస్, రైట్? ఐఓ డివైజెస్ చేసినప్పుడు ఈ ఎఫ్ఎస్ ట్యాబ్లో వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ఫైల్ సిస్టమ్స్ ఆర్ ఎగ్జిస్టెడ్, ఇట్ విల్ బి నోటింగ్ డౌన్. అంటే for example, in your house you have a 4 members. Okay, all the 4 members, let it be one, like a husband, wife, 2 kids. So these 4 members are staying into the one roof. సో ఆ పర్టికులర్ హౌస్లో ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారంటే మనం ఏం చెప్తాము, 4 members are there, all are belongs to the same address, they have the some kind of relationship. So BIOS also keep the note of information stating that in this particular house 4 members are there, means in FS tab we have a 4 entries are there. These entries compulsory we need to monitor, means one person is not there also, keep monitor why he is not there. So that is the reason FS tab will always keep a note of that into BIOS level. So if the server is at the time it is not there, means it will ignore. For example, if 4 members low, one day you got a guest, some guest came into the house. So they are not noting down the guest. Okay, because guest is a temporary. Maybe he will stay for 1 day, 1 year or 2 years. Maybe that is a temporary moment. He is not at all noting down. Okay, so he is noting down only the permanent stakeholders. So FS tab entries whatever there, it will be automatically, it will be mounting. If not, the particular file system is not mounting. Okay. సో శ్రీని, ఫైల్ సిస్టమ్ ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ గురించి ఏం చెప్తావు, ఎలా చేస్తావు, ఐడియా ఉందా?
లేదండి.
ఓకే, ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలి శ్రీని. ఓకే, నరేందర్? నరేందర్ మీట్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయాడు.
సారీ బ్రో, అది ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ అంత ఐడియా లేదు, అంటే గుర్తుకు రావట్లేదు అంత.
ఓకే, సో మానస, డూ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ఐడియా?
No idea, Pawan.
ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ Nadia, you are the only, tell me.
Sir, LV extend, sir. LV
For
extend.
example, I have a 10 GB. Said that please increase one more 5 GB.
Okay, LV
Yes, sir.
extend.
Okay, first of all, before extending, I said some of this means we need to prepare the network, right?
Yeah, first we are adding that on LV, PV and VG creation.
No, as of now, you have everything is there. Now you have a file system setup, app is there. Okay.
Okay.
Now the requirement is that the client said that increase 5 more GB. This is my requirement. Okay. So what we are going to do it?
బ్యాకప్ తీసుకోవాలి కదా బ్రో, ఫస్ట్ బ్యాకప్ తీసుకొని నెక్స్ట్.
Now we are taking the backup. Okay. I'm taking the backup of /etc fs tab. Okay. So backup అనేది తీసుకుంటాను.
సో ఈ దానికి ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ అని పెట్టుకొని అగైన్ ఫర్ దట్ ఓన్లీ వీ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు క్రియేట్ స్టిల్ 5 GB as first. Again we have to raise the request. Once the request is approved, the same process will be repeated kada.
Yeah. So before requesting, there is some of the groundwork we need to do it, right? For example, in our house, okay, your mom said that the some rice. Okay, ఒక రైస్ తీసుకురా, ఇంట్లో రైస్ లేదు, అయిపోయి తీసుకురామని చెప్పింది. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ షీఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ ద బేసిక్ వ్యాలిడేషన్, నథింగ్ బట్ హౌస్లో రైస్ ఉందో లేదో అనేది తను చెక్ చేస్తుంది కదా, చేసిన తర్వాతే నేను తీసుకురామంటుంది, రైట్? సో నువ్వు ఎలా చెక్ చేస్తావు? స్పేస్ అడుగుతున్నావు, ఇట్స్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈజ్ అ మ్యాటర్ ఆఫ్ మనీ, రైట్? ఓకే, సో బిఫోర్ ఆస్కింగ్ ద స్టోరీస్, first you need to do the validation, right? Have you done the groundwork? How you going to validate?
Virtual.
My requirement is 5 GB. Okay, I'm clear that one. First of all, I need to check.
Sir, first we need to check VG space, sir. VGS.
Okay, VGS you are checking. So VGS, what it will list out?
Yeah, it's how much space is there.
Okay, it will be list out. Then okay, let it be in my VGS. Luckily, record check, I have a 10 GB. 10 GB free is there. Then what you will do?
Then we go with the LV display,
Okay.
and then we know how much the GB has been there on that.
LV display will give, okay, LV display you displayed, then
First, we should create a VG extension, right?
okay. VG extension, why I need to do it here? Why VG extend will do? What is the purpose of VG extend? On the day I
So,
explain you that, for example, you have a 10,000.
hmm.
Okay. Your monthly expense is 5,000. You done the monthly expense 5,000. Suddenly, some your close friend birthday came. 2,000. Okay. Since you were offering something. But in your wallet already you have a 5,000. Right? 5,000 is spent. 5,000 you have. So again 2,000 you are going to ask to your friend, some other you are going to borrow from others? No, right? Because you have amount in your hand, you are using the same amount only. From there only you are using 2,000, right? So VG extend is a kind of the purpose. When I don't have space, I'm going to borrow.
Okay, first we have to extend the physical volume.
No, we
Physical
have to
volume, why you
resize,
need
sir.
to
Resize to
First, we have to go to settings and increase the size.
always think from the production prospect. I said we are not increasing the space in production. Okay, when that particular word come, you need to mention that we are requesting the storage to storage team. Keep in mind, if you mention like that means the interviewer can understand that you are practiced only from the your laptop.
Sir, first the check is, sir, we have to resize, sir. Resize 2FS.
Okay, VGS I have a 10 GB. Now how I can extend?
Sir, first of all, we go with the resize 2FX to expand the memory, sir.
Before resize, first of all, what I need to do it? In my wallet, I have a 10,000. 5,000
Okay.
is already my monthly expense completed. 5,000 is there. Okay, let it be 2,000 I need to spend for my friend. First of all, I have a 5,000 in my account. Next, what I need to do?
DF-H.
Okay, DF-H.
And then we have to mount it.
Why mounted? Already it's mounted, right? Already it is working file system only.
Then we go with the extend, sir. LV extend space -L
Okay.
5G, and
What
then
5G?
whatever the path is there
5G or plus 5G?
plus 5G.
Why plus?
Yeah, because we are extending that
Plus 5G.
plus 5G, and then /dev the VG name,
Okay.
whatever the VG-app or VG-data, yeah,
Hmm.
and then LV name, sir.
LV. Okay. So then
we go with resize
Mhm.
resize 2FS /device VG and data and VG the LV
Okay.
LV-data.
This is the LV.
Yes.
Okay. Then
Then we check DF-TH.
okay.
The LV has we got the extended file.
Good. So you understand means మీ దగ్గర 5,000 ఉన్నప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ యూ నీడ్ టు ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ద 2,000 రైట్ ఆర్ యూ నీడ్ టు స్పెండ్ రైట్ హౌ యు ఆర్ స్పెండింగ్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఎక్స్టెండింగ్ ఓకే హియర్ ఎల్వి ఎక్స్టెండ్ ఈజ్ అ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ యు ఆర్ యాడింగ్ ద 5 GB okay once you transfer the two, let it be in your wallet you have 5,000, 2,000 you transferred. automatically your wallet need to be refreshed, right? Now your bank balance is 5 minus 2 equals to 3, right? 3000 supposed to be there. 3000 it is reflection need to become means we need to reflect resize to fs. Resize to fs, why we are doing ma? This is for xfs. You got a point, right? Grow fs, ext and xfs. You remember, Nazia?
Yes, sir.
ext
Yes, sir.
మనము రీసైజ్కి వెళ్తాం, xfs అయితే grow.
Grow.
So it's like a pro version. Okay. So these are the very important guys. Please spend the quality of time on practicals because your resume is highlighting these things only.
Okay.
So one question is enough to keep you aside. So first of all, we need to be in a position to at least blabbering something, right? Okay. So terminology, learn it. The terminology need to see, at least you need to be practiced more and practice till you get a job. Please practice. After you get a job, automatically you will learn the things with your colleagues and all, you can survive. Okay. So practice. How much of the time? Practice 1 hour we are taking the class, so at least daily 1 to 2 hours of the class. Don't forget about the Linux and other classes. Everything you need to be practice. Then only you can able to the call, one small call received also, it will be helpful for you. So Ashwini, you have time, 2 minutes.
Yes, sir.
So just help me out, ma. Means for your interview, what are the questions they asked, and how you means you have a 2 rounds, right? Okay. Simply the technical questions. What are the questions they asked? Okay, how you answered? Can you just explain to them? It will
Yeah, this role was actually not for a Linux admin role.
no for
This
initial
was,
one. Yeah, Linux side,
yeah.
what they ask, other interviews and all.
Actually, I have made a note. Can I share you the
Yeah, you can share it.
questions which were asked?
Yeah. You can
So I cannot recollect everything now. I have made a note of all the questions. I'll list
definitely.
out everything and send.
Sure. Share it into the group itself.
Yeah.
With a kind of
Yeah.
notepad and all, it will be helpful for them. So, but the purpose is that how the situation will be there whenever they are asking about the file system questions and all. You are into the
They were mainly asking about the user management LVM patching process, what prerequisites we have to take before patching, what validations we are supposed to do after patching, and explain the booting process. How do you switch the run levels? How do you add user? Many were related to the challenges that I have faced, what challenges we have faced in our project, what are the most activities that I had handled in all the projects as a Linux admin. So
so these are the
these were
somewhat
kind of main
highlighted ones.
questions. Yeah.
So guys, you understand, right? So maximum same set of the question will come with a different flavor.
Based on the year of experience, they'll ask questions. If we are more experienced, they'll ask more scenario based questions.
Yeah.
If we are freshers, probably they'll ask
But
from the command perspective.
technically it's the same, right? See, maybe scenario
Yeah.
a little bit of something different, but technically we need to be answerable to the question. For example, if the guy is asking about okay, you need to add the 10 GB means technically I need to tell the steps, right? At least I tell the steps. I need to convey them what is the step-by-step process I will follow. In this process, if I got a hiccups with some kind of a situation, it is not reflecting, you got some storage issue or whatever it may be. So how you are handling? First of all, I need to
Yeah. How do we request the
process.
storage team to add the space?
So
Whether are we able to reduce XFS file system? If not, why don't we reduce the file system size? What is the difference between XFS and ext4?
so
What all backups you are supposed to take before patching or doing any activity or before implementing any change? So these type of questions.
So there is a lot of questions. These are the somewhat highlighted questions. Means that like a top 10, top
Yeah.
questions. Okay. So if you want to screw up means one's basic fundamental question itself is enough. Okay. So that is the reason don't take something late. Why today I spend without class means, it's a very important because I would say the people will ask you the many questions. After you placing your effort, you are placing your answer clearly also, the judgment will be going to be sometimes it will going to be different. That's the same thing happened to Ashwini also. But most of the cases means it will be their justification depends upon financial aspects also will be there. Okay, so we should not be stop our conversation at any moment of the time. Don't be go speed. Explain the scenario. First listen. Don't disturb them. Listen. Then you need to be go with a step-by-step process explanation. Okay, for example, if I receive this one, I'm going to perform these other steps. Okay, so just that will be come up with a practice only. Is what I'm saying. Same thing whether you're into the cloud also, people will ask you that. So what is a cloud? Why you are using the cloud? What is the fundamental of the cloud? What is the last pass? Okay, why? How? If you want to create the server, one server means what are the steps you are following? Why we are using the okay nothing but what are the services are there into the Azure? Okay, so the questions will be coming like a top 10 questions. That is the reason. Don't think something very easy. Please place the effort. Okay. Nowadays interviews are they are checking multiple things. So that is the reason. So after you cleared and you went inside also, this technical feasibility only help you out, none other than other thing. If you have a technical feasibility means at least you can survive for the 1 2 years, then you are slowly learning in that process. You will get a buffer space because all the projects are not same. See right now we are myself I'm handling 70 clients. The day 1 o'clock my shift started means sometimes it will go till night of 3 o'clock also because the situations are there. None of the client they won't leave you to sort out the issue. If you said I don't know also, they will directly pull your manager into the call and ask you that I'm not getting the support from this engineer. So it will give the bad remark. I'm not saying about this work. Okay. Any kind of the technology, you have to spend the quality of the time. Terminology is a very important. Okay. If you know the terminology means half of the work it will come to you. Okay. So Moin, Narendra, each and everyone.
Okay, bro.
See, whatever may be the process of going and stepping, that is different. But you pay the amount to me, right? Okay. So for the amount, you place your effort, you place the amount. Okay, it's not a something like a free amount, right? You pay the one to me. Okay. You place the effort. Don't take anything leave. Spend a quality of time. Then you will get very easily you can crack it. So daily 1 hour completed means rest of the hours you people can connect together. Otherwise, work together. Okay, let it be today and tomorrow we can sit on a VG, volume groups, LVM. Daily two topics you people can prepare together. Okay, then that will be help you out. Don't take anything serious, guys. Okay, I'm saying for your sake only. See, my job is just I need to complete my class and I can move on. I don't want to be explain the things. Why I'm explaining means see, people don't be suffered. It is what my end extinction. Okay, don't think something bad. Please spend the quality of time. People are occupied, but still play some small timetable daily 1 2 hours or 1 hour after class 1 hour also you should prepare and current whatever you are learning and whatever where your backlog. This only help you out. Okay.
Sure, sure.
Sure.
సో నాజియా అర్థమైందమ్మా?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ఓకే. సో ఇలా చేస్తేనే మీరు కలెక్టర్లు అవుతారు, లేకపోతే ఎలా చెప్పు? స్పెండ్ క్వాలిటీ ఆఫ్ టైం.
Okay, sir.
సో ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి. సి ద థింగ్ ఈస్ దట్ వీఆర్ అట్ ఎండ్. సో నేను సింప్లీ ఓపెన్గా చెప్తున్నాను, సింప్లీ నా సబ్జెక్ట్ నేను కంప్లీట్ చేసేసుకొని నేను వేరే బ్యాచ్కి వెళ్ళిపోతాను. ఓకే, బట్ ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు గో విత్ దట్ వన్. ఎందుకు నేను మీకు హోల్డ్ చేసి చెప్తున్నానంటే, అలా డబ్బులు తీసుకొని ఏదో నాకు అన్నట్టు ఉండదు కదా. మీకు కూడా నాకు ఎలా కమిట్మెంట్ ఉంటుందో మీరు కూడా అలా కమిట్మెంట్ నేర్చుకుంటే నాకు హ్యాపీ, అంతే. నాకు ఒక రూపాయి రాదు. ఓకే, అట్లీస్ట్ యూ పీపుల్ యువర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ విల్ బి సార్ట్ అవుట్. థింక్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. మీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ గురించి మీరు ఆలోచించండి, మీ దగ్గర ఉన్న సొల్యూషన్ ఏంటి. సో ప్లేస్ సమ్ ఎఫర్ట్, ప్రాక్టీస్ ఓన్లీ ద మ్యాటర్. Okay, whatever the channel you are going, that is different. That is okay. Please do. Okay. So tomorrow we are going to the regular topic. Okay, tomorrow we are going to discuss about the networking, Azure networking, and some portion of other topics also. Okay. Say we are at almost end. We are going to be wind up as soon as. But the thing is that you need to be prepared with the things. మనకు లైనక్స్ అయిపోయి ఆల్మోస్ట్ 1 వీక్ అవుతుంది.